Our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is Walter Reed. And Walter was ASE certified when he was just age 19. But he went in a number of different directions after that, from firefighter to surface miner to cable guy to police chief. And he says none of those suited him, so he decided to do his own thing in 2010. That's when he started Reed's Repair and Audio. And on the audio side, Walter's built a national championship winning audio system in his wife's car. And on the mechanical side, Walter brought in Walter Jr. to help him in the garage about 3 years ago. And boy, have they made a name for themselves. Walter Sr. says between individual car owners, fleets, and dealerships, he has more business than he can handle. And that's all by word of mouth because he doesn't even have a sign out front of the business. The secret, Walter tells me, the way you treat people and the way you carry yourself goes a long way. And I can tell you that Walter and Walter Jr. are first-class guys, and they are first-class mechanics. Walter Reed, with an honorable mention to Walter Jr., they are the PaintedAutoParts.com Motorheads of the Week.